Hello guys, today I have a really great question for you. Let's read first. The flight path of the helicopter as it takes off from A is defined by the parametric equations x is equal to 2 times t square meter and y is equal to 0.04 t square meter, where t is the time in seconds. Determine the distance the helicopter is from point A, this is point A, and the magnitudes of its velocity and acceleration when t is equal to 10 seconds. Okay, so what are given? Given x is equal to 2 times t square and y equal to 0.04 t cube. Okay, so these are distance from point A in x and y component, and this information will guide me to solve this problem. So what are asked? I'm going to find the distance from point A, magnitudes of velocity and acceleration. So let's start to find the question. Okay, I think let's see what can I do first. Okay, so the question wants me to find the ungiven things in 10 seconds. So if I find the given data with 10 seconds, I can find the distance, right? In x and y components. Okay, so x is equal to 10 square and y 0.04 10 to the 3. Okay, so x is equal to 200 meter and y is equal to 40 or 440 meter. Okay, so these are in x and y component, so I need to find the distance, the length. So what is the rule? What is the formula? S, my total length, x squares component, x square and y square. I will use this one. Okay, 200 square plus 400 square. S is equal to 203.96 meters. This is my total length. Okay, like from there to there. Okay, from point A to helicopter, this is 203.96. okay guys, so I use these data and I use these data and I found the distance. Let's check. So I need to find magnitude of y, v. So how can I find this data, this velocity? Okay, so I know the I have some equation. This is distance, right? And like this is distance, and my like this is a function, okay? And this distance function depends on t. What is t? Time. So I know that formula, guys. I think you know. If you don't know, you will learn. Okay. V is equal to dx over dt. Actually, this is kind of s, like distance, but I will use x because I have distance in x and y component, and let's say this is vx. Let's say in x in x component, in x direction, in y direction. Okay, I found Vx dx over dt. So what is dx? Dx is this guy. So Vx d, what was that? 2 times 2 square over dt. So it's equal to that guy, Vx. I take derivative in there. This is 4 times t. Okay. And in y direction, again, I'm going to write same thing, same idea. Vy over dt. So what was my equation in y direction for distance? That guy. So Vy is equal to 0.04 t cube. It should be there. dt, right? So I take derivative. Vy is equal to Vy is equal to 0.12 t square. M over s, of course, m over s. Don't forget to write down units, guys. This is really crucial for any engineering, any physics. And my question wants me to find in 10 seconds, like 10 seconds. Okay, so if I write down 10 instead of t, then I will find out what is Vx and Vy's component magnitude. Okay, so Vx is equal to 4 times 10. It's equal to 40 meter over second. And Vy 0.12 times 10, let's write down 100, and it's equal to 12. I hope it's 12. Yes, 12. 12 over m over s. So I have in x direction x component and y component of v. So this is my formula for the magnitude of v. Under root Vx square plus Vy square. It's same with here, guys. Okay, and 40 square plus 12 square, and it's equal to, let's check my thing. I need to use calculator right now, and it's equal to 41.8 meter over second. And I found the magnitude of velocity. Yes, this is check, and it's time to find A. So I have another equation like similar to that guy. Again, I'm writing in x direction and in y direction. Okay, so A is equal to dv over dt. These are in x components, and Ay dv y over dt. So I found Vx and Vy in there, right? This is my Vx and this is my Vy. So it means I'm going to use them. I'm writing down again. Ax is equal to what was Vx? 40 dt, and Ay is equal to d 0.12 times t square or cube square dt. So I take derivative to t. So Ax is equal to 4, and ay is equal to 0.24 t. Okay, so when I write down for t equals 10, ax is still 4. It's constant, like, and not change. Not change depends on the time. Okay, ay is 0.24 times 10. So ay is 2.4 meter over second s square, and also meter over second square. I'm going to find the magnitude. I think you know right now how to find it. Ax square plus ay square, and it's equal to 4 square plus 2.4 square, and it becomes, oops, I should write it down. No way. Then, again, I need calculator. And it is 4.6 meter over second square. And also I found the magnitude of acceleration, and this is solved fully. Thank you for listening, guys. See you in next videos.